was honestly a little bit more of a messier prep. So like I like to open it halfway in there as much as I can. And I mean, some of this stuff is still gonna go everywhere. So you just wanna try to do as much as you can like in that bag. Start off with just removing some of those outer leaves. At this point, kind of remove it. And we're just gonna remove that bottom. At this point, I'm gonna half it. And then we're gonna go with the natural kind of cuts of the cauliflower. So just gonna go ahead and take that. As you can see, here's the core of the entire cauliflower. We cut right here. We could either cut here. We can cut here. If you want a smaller floret, you can cut here. So it's all just depending on the size that you really want. I'm gonna go with that natural curvature of this. Go right there. Get some of that stem off. Get some of that stem. The cauliflower wants you to cut it that way. So me just going down right there and then doing that, it's gonna fall apart perfectly every single time. Just work with earth, work with the vegetables that we have. Like they're asking you to do certain things. So these typically you would wanna have all similar size. In this case, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, of course, we want to still have it close, but we're gonna eventually blitz this all up. This is gonna be something that's eaten whole, so. So with this trim, it would be good for something like a soup or anything where you're actually gonna be like blitzing it all the way down. The only reason we're not gonna use it with this in this case is just because at this point, these are gonna cook at 2 completely different temperatures. The Fireburst one is gonna take a lot longer, so it's not gonna be fully cooked through the same way our florets would use. So for these, we're just gonna set them to the side or get rid of them, whatever the case is, depending on what you have planned for dinner that night.